Toyota uses two different wheel attachment systems across their vehicle lineup. Understanding the difference between lug nuts and lug bolts is essential for proper tire maintenance and safety. There are two main types of wheel attachment systems. On the left, we have the traditional lug nut system. On the right, the lug bolt system. Each has distinct characteristics and is used on different Toyota models. This technical diagram shows the fundamental difference. The lug nut system on the left uses a separate nut that threads onto a permanent stud. The lug bolt system on the right uses a single bolt that threads directly into the hub. The lug nut system uses wheel studs that are permanently attached to the hub. Nuts thread onto these studs to secure the wheel. This design makes wheel alignment easier and is more forgiving during installation. The lug bolt system has bolts that thread directly into the hub with no permanent studs. This requires more precise positioning, but offers a more compact design with better aerodynamics. Different Toyota models use different systems. The Toyota Crown, being a luxury sedan, uses the traditional lug nut system with wheel studs permanently attached to the hub. The Toyota bZ4X electric vehicle uses lug bolts as part of its modern electric platform design. This system offers better aerodynamics and a more compact wheel hub design. The Toyota Supra also uses lug bolts, inherited from its BMW platform sharing arrangement. This performance vehicle requires higher torque specifications at 88 foot-pounds. Here we see actual lug bolt hardware used in Toyota vehicles. These bolts feature blue thread-locking collars and hexagonal heads. Notice how they are complete units that thread directly into the wheel hub. Understanding these differences is crucial for Toyota owners. The lug nut system offers easier installation and alignment, making it ideal for luxury vehicles like the Crown. The lug bolt system provides a more compact design with better aerodynamics, making it suitable for performance vehicles like the Supra and electric vehicles like the bZ4X. The key difference is that lug nuts require permanent studs protruding from the hub, while lug bolts eliminate these studs entirely by threading directly into the hub assembly. Knowing which system your Toyota uses is critical for safety. Different tools and procedures are required. Torque specifications vary, and installation difficulty differs significantly between the two systems. Always consult your vehicle's manual to confirm which system your specific Toyota model uses, as this knowledge is essential for safe tire maintenance and emergency roadside repairs.